Good morning everyone. I have created this project to showcase how AWS can be used for predictive maintenance on any type of machinery on the shop floor. For today's example, I have taken a simple spindle and bearing, and IoT is attached to the device to measure the vibration and the temperature of the machine. So the workflow is such that the vibration data and the temperature data is being passed through AWS. When it crosses a certain threshold, a warning message will be displayed on the dashboard, and when the critical level is passed, an SNS notification will be sent to the email of the engineer. Why should a manufacturer care? I'll give a simple example wherein the manufacturer has to deliver a certain number of goods by the next day. Now if the machine breaks down and it has to be repaired, that is a lot of wasted time and wasted revenue. So if there are early warnings and planned inspection, that will help us in order to maintain the machine and ensure that there is no stoppage in production. So we will have happy customers and no one gets fired in the process. As you can see in the diagram, a simple IoT device has been attached to the spindle and bearing. The vibration and temperature data is being passed through the IoT gateway. That data is being stored and analyzed. So when it crosses a certain threshold, an alarm system has been set in place so the information can be passed to the concerned department. I have created a simple dashboard which showcases the temperature as well as the vibration of the machine. I have just ran the simulation to showcase the vibration and temperature patterns of a normal CNC machine. That data is being shown on the dashboard over here. As you can see, the one threshold has been crossed, so a simple warning signal has been sent so the manager can have a look. Once the critical level has crossed, then a simple notification has been sent to the email so they can do maintenance immediately. I received the email notification, and it contains all the data that the machine, which machine, what temperature, what vibration level it is currently exposed to, everything. All that information is being sent to the email. So with the help of this, any manufacturer with very low investment will be able to monitor the machinery on the shop floor and have regular maintenance and repair before any breakdowns can occur, therefore saving a lot of cost and improving their revenue and bottom line. Thank you.